Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome video. In this video we will see how we can create a upload file loading animation. As you can see on the screen, it makes a loading animation that looks realistic. So we will create it using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's begin. It is going to be a lot interesting. So first we have created a test.html file and test.css file and linked them together. Then we need a boxy icon CDN, you can say, which I will provide you on my website. You can just copy it and paste it, and whole the code is available in my website, so you can get the code from my website. The link is in the description. As you can see, I have created here several classes. First is button, then is text icon, and here I have given a I class which contains bx icon, means you can say boxy icons, uploading symbol which you have seen, that one. And then here in the span we have given as upload file. Now if we run, you can see the icon and the text is there. Now the time is for the CSS. So here we have imported the URL of the font. I am using Google font here, and we are defining some basic of the page. Like font family we have given here Poppins and sans serif, and body we are giving height 100 VH, display we are keeping here flex. After that we are giving here align item, which is center. All the items will be aligned center. Then justify content will be also center, and then background will be a linear gradient. As you can see, I have given it from the black to gray, as you have seen in the demo which I have showed at the starting. So you can see it's now a gradient. So now we will style the button. So we have given the button dot button, because we are defining a class, so we will put dot and then button. Then the position will be relative, height will be 55 pixels, and max width will be 300 pixels, and the normal width will be 100 pixels. After that we are giving its background as a, you can say, a dark color. You can give any color you want. After that we are giving here a border radius of 6 pixels. Then we have given here a cursor pointer. After that we are giving here a box shadow. For that you need to write this code, and we are giving its shadow as black, so we are keeping red, green and blue as 0 and the alpha to 0.2. After that overflow will be hidden. So you can see our button is created. Now the time is to style the text. So first we will define a button dot before, and then content will be empty string. After that the position will be absolute, then the top will be 0, left will be -200%, and height will be 100%, width will also be 100%. After that background will be, it will be black. So as you can see here also red, green and blue is 0 and alpha is 0.2. Alpha means, you can say, transparency or opacity. So we need to be opacity type. So that's why we have given here. Then in the button progress, then we have given before, and here we are creating an animation which is progress of 6 seconds, and the transition will be ease, in, out, forward. Then we are defining it by using the @keyframe progress tag. So you need to just follow the code. So you need to make some changes here, as I am making, and I am reminding you The code is available on my website. You can check out this description for the code. So as our animation has been defined, so now we need to define the text and icon color. So here we have given height as 100%, width as 100%, and we are giving a display to flex. After that we have given here align item to center, means whatever the item will be aligned in center. Then justify content will also be centered. So you can see now the time is to make it white, as we will not be able to see the black one. So we are giving a dot button dot text icon I, comma, then dot button dot text icon span. So here we will give position to relative, color to white. As you can see, I have written in hex code, so it is has FFF. After that you can see I have decreased the font size because it was looking too big. So now we are defining a bit more here. Font size will be 20 pixel of the span, and then font weight will be 400. Margin left will be 8 pixels. Now it's time for the JavaScript. So the JavaScript is very small. So we will not create another separate file, we will just create a script tag in the HTML below the body tag. After that we will create here a const button variable. Const means the variable cannot be changed or customized. So we have given here then document dot query selector dot button, means whatever the container is, as we have defined in the CSS. Then a simple variable which is text. Here document dot query selector then dot text, means with the class text. Okay, so here we are giving button dot add event listener click, means whenever the button is clicked, so it will be event listener. After that here we will give several brackets and we will give is equal to or less than. After that I have just ended it. Then we will create a button dot class list dot add, and here we will add progress. So the progress will be done, the animation which we have defined in the CSS. Then the text dot inner text, means whatever the inner text will be, it will be uploading while the animation is played. Then whenever the timer is out, means we will give here 7-second timer. So we have given set timer out is equal to or less than button dot class list dot remove. So it will do here at the top we have given button dot class list dot add progress, and here it will simply remove progress, the animation. Yeah, after 7 seconds. After that the text inner text will be uploaded. Okay, so you can give some exclamation mark to look it good. After that here you can see we are given here 7,000 milliseconds. So 1000 millisecond is equal to 1 second, so 7,000 millisecond is equal to 7 seconds. So here we have given, so you can see the animation is being played and it's done. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do a like, and if you are new to my channel, then please click on the red subscribe button and make it gray. Hope you like it. You must try this at home. Thank you. Bye.
क्या बढ़िया था गुरु.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.